Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to send media in standard quality on WhatsApp Web for PC. With the latest update, you now have more control over the quality of photos and videos you send. Let's dive into the simple steps to ensure you're sending media in standard quality. First, open your preferred web browser and head to WhatsApp Web. Once you've logged in by scanning the QR code with your phone, you'll see your chats on the screen. Now look to the left side of the window. You'll notice a gear icon at the bottom of the menu. This is your gateway to the settings. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. A new panel will appear with various options. Look for the Chats section and click on it. This will expand to show you more chat-related settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the Media Upload Quality option. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll see two choices: Standard Quality and HD Quality. For our purpose today, we want to choose Standard Quality. Simply click on that option and you're all set. From now on, when you send photos or videos through WhatsApp Web, they'll be sent in standard quality by default. But why would you want to use standard quality, you might ask? Well, standard quality is perfect for when you need to send media quickly, or if you're worried about data usage. The files are smaller, so they upload and download faster, which is great if you're on a slower internet connection. Remember, you can always switch back to HD quality for those times when you need to share high-resolution images or videos. It's all about finding the right balance for your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully set up WhatsApp Web to send media in standard quality. This simple change can make a big difference in your messaging experience, especially if you frequently share photos and videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Until next time.